In general, we would prefer that you use copyright-free images for your magazine. However, if the images that you want to use are not copyright-free, you must acknowledge those. And in one of the videos you watched in your research, the presenter spoke about how you would use URLs to acknowledge where your sources came from. They don't have to be directly under the image, but they should be on the same page as the image. For interactivity, your magazine cover and the pages inside your magazine can include animation. Let's watch this example. This example has animation that brings text in from both the left and the right and also fades in. There are a multitude of preset options that you can choose to animate your text and images. Having a plan for your layout and your interactivity before you start your work in InDesign makes things faster and easier. Let's have a look at the interactivity on this page.
What's your flavor?
On this page, you can see I've used a drop capital. I've stacked my images so that on the page opening they spread out. I've also added an audio file and I've shaped my text here to look like ice cream. It's all about adding interest, making sure the pages aren't too overcrowded and it's easier for the viewer to consume the information you're presenting to them. This double page spread includes a different kind of interactivity. It includes rollovers and pop-outs. As I move my mouse around the page, the thumbnails react. And then if I click on a thumbnail, other information appears. This double page spread includes a photo that takes up the whole background. It includes a feather gradient that fades from white through to transparent to make the text easier to read. It includes a text wrap, and the text wraps around the object so it leaves a gap in between the object or the subject of the photograph and the text. It also includes an animation. In this page spread, you can see how this YouTuber has included a video into his InDesign layout. And the next few spreads show more rollover interactivity as well as page load interactivity and animation. When you're planning stories for your magazine, I don't expect you to write everything. You can copy text as long as you acknowledge the source. I'm going to copy this text and paste it into my rectangular frame. I'm also going to copy the URL and paste it underneath the text. So I've acknowledged my source here. I can now format this text to suit my needs.